Hey everyone, welcome to a behind-the-scenes look at how I create personalized song plaques for my customers. Today I'm working on a special piece featuring the song Everything I Do It For You by Bryan Adams, along with a beautiful wedding photo chosen by the customer. First, I start by printing the image onto sublimation paper. Once printed, I carefully trim off the excess paper to ensure a clean finish. Next, I peel off the protective plastic film from the metal plaque. Now, it's time to align the metal plaque to ensure it's centered perfectly. Using thermal tape, I secure the plaque in place before transferring it to the heat press. As the heat press reaches the optimal temperature, I prepare to transfer the image onto the metal plaque. With a satisfying pop, I place the image and the plaque into the press, allowing the heat to work its magic. After a few moments, I carefully remove the plaque from the heat press. It's always an exciting moment as I peel away the sublimation paper to reveal the finished product. And there it is, a stunning song plaque ready to be cherished by its new owner. I put my heart and soul into every piece I create, and I hope the customer loves it as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you enjoyed watching the process. And if you'd like a custom song plaque of your own, feel free to reach out. Until next time.